Today we design this sports poster. Let's start. We use this image as a background image, as a main image. Let's move the background. We also use this image as a second image. Let's move the background and open a new document of 1200 by 1200 size with 300 resolution. Let's create this document. Now move the main image to the new document. Let's flip it horizontally, adjust the size after pressing Ctrl T. Let's convert it into a smart object. Let's adjust the colors by using camera raw filter. But before that, make sure copy this image just for a backup if something doesn't happen with me. Right. Let's open camera raw filter. Let's increase some exposure and yellow color in this image. Also increase clarity. Don't copy my values as it is. Adjust the values as per your image. Now time to add some colors at the background by using gradient panel. I used very bright colors, but these are too bright. Let's decrease the brightness of these colors. Wow, it looks cool. Let's do some masking. But now give some shine to this poster. Add light by using curves. Let's use invert mask and do some masking. Just paint on here and there where you want to increase the light with white color as a background. Otherwise it doesn't happen. Let's clip this curve to the main image. Now time to move the second image to the poster. Let's move it. Adjust the size after pressing Ctrl T. It looks cool, brilliant. Let's do some masking again. Just hide the areas by using soft round brush. Just hide it. Then we appear some area by using a special brush. It's a metal brush. Let's change the background color to white and paint on the edges of this player. He is Jasprit Bumrah. Add shadow below the feet of Bumrah ji. Adjust the size of shadow. I also add a cracked floor below the feet. Time to move. Let's crack this floor by using layer overlay blend mode. You can try different blend mode also. Time to add a ball because he is a bowler. If he is a batsman, then I add a bat. Let's contract the size of selection. Adjust the size after pressing Ctrl T. Let's add some fire to this ball. Yes. Add some fire. Let's clip this fire and change its layer mode to screen. Let's make a copy of this fire. And let's add some fires around the ball. Mostly at the top of ball. Let's change its blend mode to highlight. Good. Let's do invert masking. Play with colors by using a special brush. Just try to find out this brush from internet. It's a metal brush. Maybe I can give you, but doesn't show. Let's add some sparkles. Use the layer mode screen. Add the main fire on the ball and let's do some masking with a simple soft round brush. Brushes matters a lot here. Adjust the opacity also. Time to add smoke. Let's change its layer mode to overlay. You can also try different layer modes, but it's too dark. Let's adjust the color again. Time to add some more yellowish color on the left cheeks. Add a yellow color. Oh my god, it's too much. Let's get it aside. Move it to left after pressing Ctrl T. I also add some very bright color. Just add the edges by using hue and saturation. Let's do some masking again. Just add the edges. Superb. It looks cool. Very cool. I like it. Also add some yellow color just near the neck, or just add forehead or on the left cheek is too much. Let's decrease the color. Just play with colors as you want. Don't try to copy me as it is. Now let's add some darkness to the second image by decreasing the exposure and play by using invert masking. Let's play with it. Wow, it looks cool. Superb. Time to add some metal brush stroke at the background to give it a depth effect. I will use a metal brush. It looks cool. Just increase the size and click. It's okay. Let's add color lookup. Try different lookups. I like this one. Good choice. Let's add levels and increase the contrast by using level. Time to add color balance and increase red and decrease yellow. It looks cool. Time to add font because I want the main focus on this image, so I use a very small size font. Here I use Gotham book font. Let's add the name of player, Jasprit Bumrah. I am also Jass. Let's add on fire and Jasprit Bumrah. It looks cool. Let's adjust some colors because the hair is yellow color is little more than required one. Also repair some edges. Good. It looks cool. I like the poster. If you like this poster, comment below. Let's group all the layers and make a copy because now time to give it a more depth by using blur tool, field blur. Let's convert it into a smart object. Go to filter, blur gallery and field blur. Let's blur some parts of this poster and do not blur some parts. It gives a depth effect. It adds the depth to our poster. It looks cool. If you like this poster, tell me in the comment section. If you like this video, press like button. Thank you.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.